Hi students, this is Shanti ma'am. We are in same lesson 8th chemistry unit 14 acids and bases. In this topic we are going to discuss about indicators. Indicators means what? Give to color. Give to color. Nirami. In Tamil, nirami. Nirangati. Niramkati. அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். An indicator, an acid-base indicator is a chemical substance which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution by suitable color change. These may be natural or synthetic. Natural or synthetic. This is 2 more question. What is an indicator? What is an indicator? First question, first homework. What is an indicator? First question. In your book back exercise, 5th question. Your book back exercise, 2 more questions, short answer, 5th question. Note it down in your book. Okay. An indicator or acid-base indicator is a chemical substance. Indicator ஒரு chemical substance தான், which indicates the acidic or base. அந்த பொருள் வந்து acid nature or base nature அப்படின்றத indicators வச்சு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். There are 2 types of indicators. Natural indicators, another one the synthetic indicators. The natural indicators are chemical substances which are obtained from the natural resources. Litmus, turmeric juice, China rose petals, red cabbage, grape juice and beetroot juice are the indicators obtained from the natural resources. Right? What are the natural resources, students? Litmus, turmeric juice, China rose petals, red cabbage, grape juice and beetroot juice. The first one, turmeric indicator. Turmeric indicator is a detail in your book back questions. 4th question. How will you prepare natural indicator from turmeric powder? This is the second homework for you. Detail for your book, 4th detail. What are the question? How will you prepare? How will you prepare? How will you prepare natural indicator? Natural indicator. Natural indicator from turmeric. From turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. This is second question homework for you and book back question 4th detail. Right? Okay. From here to here, 4th detail. Okay. By adding small amount of water to turmeric powder, a paste is prepared. A paste is prepared. This is applied on blotting paper or filter paper and dried. இது ஒரு பேப்பரில் வந்து இந்த மஞ்சள் கலந்த பேஸ்ட்டை வச்சுட்டு ட்ரை பண்ணிடணும். ஃபில்டர் பேப்பர்லேயோ இல்லை பிளாட்டிங் ஏதோ ஒரு பேப்பரில். தி ஸ்ட்ரிப்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ்ட் இண்டிகேட்டர்ஸ் டு ஃபைண்ட் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் த சொல்யூஷன். இந்த டர்மரிக் பேப்பர் வந்து இண்டிகேட்டர்ஸ் நிறங்காட்டியாக யூஸ் ஆகுது. என்னவா யூஸ் ஆகும்? அந்த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் த பேஸா இல்லை ஆசிடா அந்த சொல்யூஷன் அப்படின்றத கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். தி ஸ்ட்ரிப்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ்ட் இண்டிகேட்டர்ஸ் டு ஃபைண்ட் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் த சொல்யூஷன். In acidic solution, acidic solution இந்த turmeric indicator paper நம்ம விட்டோம்னா in acidic solution turmeric indicator paper has no change in color. Acid solutionல இந்த turmeric paper விட்டா எந்த சேஞ்சுமே இருக்காது. It will be appear only yellow color. Okay, that means it remains yellow. Yellow-வா தான் இருக்கும். Suppose in basic solution the color change from yellow to red. Yellow to red. இப்போ red colorல நம்ம மாறிடுச்சுனா that solution will be base. புரியுதா? Acid solutionல இந்த turmeric paper விட்டோம்னா color does not change, remains yellow color. Okay. In basic solution the color change from yellow to red. This is very very important question, students. Please keep it in your mind. The homework also. The 2 homework. Next, natural indicator, hibiscus flower indicator. Hibiscus is the natural indicator. Some hibiscus flowers soaked in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes forms a solution. ஒரு hot waterல நம்ம அதை என்ன பண்ணணும், ஊற வச்சிடணும். The solution can be used to indicator. இந்த solution நம்ம indicator யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். In acidic solution the color will be changed deep acidic solution. The color will be changed deep pink color to or deep red. In basic solution color will be changed into green. Green colorல மாறுது. இங்க என்னவா மாறுது, deep pink or deep red. இது 1 mark questions also. இது 1 markல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Hibiscus வந்து acidic solutionல என்ன கலர் கொடுக்கும், deep pink or deep red. Deep pink or deep red. Beetroot juice indicator. Extracts of beetroot are also used as an indicator for identifying the acidic or basic nature of solution. அதுவும் என்ன பண்ணுது, இண்டிகேட்டரா யூஸ் ஆகுது, அசிடிக்கா பேஸா அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு. Litmus. Litmus is the most common indicators used in the laboratories. In our laboratory also used in litmus paper indicators. Litmus is a natural indicator which is extracted from lichens. Lichens is the one of the plants we get from lichens plants, the extracted. That is the indicators, one of the most important indicators used in the laboratories. Okay. It is available in the form of solution or in the form strips prepared by absorbing litmus solution on filter paper. It is either red or blue in color. Blue litmus paper turns red. Blue litmus paper turns red, the acidic solution. Red litmus paper turns in blue in basic solution. This is very very important question. 1 mark questions also here. So blue litmus paper turns in red color. This is acidic in solution. Red litmus paper turns in blue. This is basic in solution. Next, synthetic indicators. An indicator prepared from artificial substance is known as synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange are the examples of synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange is the synthetic indicators. It is prepared from laboratory and artificial method. Phenolphthalein is a colorless compound. It is alcoholic form is used as an indicator. It is colorless in acidic solution. It is colorless in acidic solution, but it turns pink in basic solution. Basic solution la enna மாறுது, pink color மாறுது. Colorless in acidic solution la irukku. That is the phenolphthalein. Methyl orange. solid methyl orange is dissolved in hot water and it filtrate it is used as an indicator. It turns red in acidic solution, yellow in basic solution. Red in acidic, yellow in basic solution. The following table gives the color changes different indicators acid and base. Blue litmus, acidic in acidic solution, red color, basic solution, no change in color. Red litmus, no change in color in acidic medium, blue in color in basic solution. Phenolphthalein, colorless in acidic solution, pink in basic solution. Methyl orange, red in acidic solution, yellow in the basic solution. Points to remember: acids produce H plus ions when they are dissolved in water. Acids are generally corrosive in nature and sour in taste. All dilute acids react with metallic oxides to form respective metallic salts and water. Natural acids, organic acids and mineral acids are the two types of acids. Acetic acid and benzoic acid are used food preservatives. Sulfuric acid is known as king of chemicals. Bases are the substances that give hydroxide ion on dissolving in water. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Bases are generally corrosive in nature. They give soapy touch only in aqueous medium, not in dry nature. Bases are used in paper industries, textile industries, and in the preparation of medicines. They are used to manufacture fertilizers, nylon, plastics, and rubber. When acids and bases are mixed together in aqueous solution, they react chemically to produce salt and water. This is known as neutralization reaction. An indicator is a chemical substance, either natural or artificial, which indicates the end of chemical reaction by suitable color change. Extracts of turmeric powder, hibiscus, beetroot and vegetables are used as natural indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are artificial indicators. Okay students, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.